Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. And today we are talking about AWS Organization. So this service provided by AWS, and this service is very helpful for managing the like multiple accounts. So here you can see here is the documentation provided by the AWS, and the AWS organization provide like the centrally manage your environment with scalable AWS service resources, and also like the here is the features. Manage multiple AWS account through the AWS organization, and the secure and monitor your accounts. If you have like multiple accounts, and if you want to like to manage and monitor through the Amazon guard duty and other services, so you can just use it and easy to use and monitor the multiple accounts services, and also easy to access the permission and access, like easy to manage with the multiple accounts, and also share the resources across the account, and audit is easy if you want to like the compliance for the multiple accounts. So it's this setup, after this setup you can easy to audit all the AWS account. And one more thing, like the cost related stuff, if you have like multiple account and just log into all accounts, like different account, and check the billing and all the things, so it's difficult, but is solve this problem through the AWS organization, and the centrally manage the billing and cost. So you can just log in into main root account and check all the cost of the all the AWS account. So it's this service is very helpful. Let's start. How can we configure this setup? So first, here is the my first account, like the 739, and here is the my second account, like 518, right? So I I can configure here like the AWS organization, and then after add this account as a member in this account, the main account. So just you can just search the AWS organization, click on AWS organization. So I have no any AWS organization created at. So just click on create an organization, create an organization. So automatically, the root account, the root and then management account created here in the organization is automatically created by the AWS. No need any action for it, and the organization ID automatically created here. The organization ID. So management account is a main account, the root account, and then right, we will add the another member account here. So the organization is successfully created, and then if you want to like the add the another accounts, then just click on add an AWS account. And if you want to like create a new account, so just go to this option, but I have already the account here. So click on the invite an existing AWS account, and here is the two method for the invitation method here, like the email address and the account ID. So we can follow uh, right now for the account ID. So it's easy, it's not no need to like the email verification required. So just click on my second account, and the ID, my account ID. So copy my account ID and just enter it here, and click on add another account. Sorry, and send the invitation. So invitation successfully sent, and go to my member account, and again, here is the AWS organization. So click on the AWS organization in the member account, uh, and click on the invitation. So here is the invitation we received. Just accept the invitation, and automatically add the account as a member in the organization. So just refresh the main account. So you can see like the here is the management account, and the one more account here, like the in the member account successfully added here. And if anytime if you want to remove this account, just click on the member account, uh, open the member account, and just click on remove. So this account remove from the organization, not deleted, but yes, the remove from the organization. So yeah. And if you want to delete the organization, is simple. Just click on setting, click on setting, and in the here is the delete the organization. So you can just click on the delete the organization. So the organization successfully deleted. I can show you, but I have already added the member account, so it's not directly deleted, but I can show you. Copy the organization ID. So we required the organization ID, and click on delete. So here is the you can see like the delete and first remove all the members of the members account, right? So first we need to remove the member accounts, and then you can proceed with this option, and you can delete it. So yeah, this is the a simple and straightforward process. So if you can face any issue, so let me know. So definitely I can help you. So yeah, thank you guys, and thank you for watching this video. And if you uh, any query regarding the AWS services and all the things, so you can just drop the comments in the video. So definitely I can answer you, and definitely I can help you. Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye.